Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to be unboxing the Logitech multi-device K480 wireless keyboard. Now this is basically a keyboard that helps you, that if you type a lot and you're typing on multiple devices like a computer, a phone and a tablet, you can actually use this, and it has a knob on top and you can actually just keep switching between either of the three devices if you're switching your documents, and you can just keep on typing on the same document, for example. What else do we have on the box? What information does it say? So it says type on anything, which is pretty much what you can do with this. Switch easily between devices. Just like I said, it connects via Bluetooth. Type in comfort. The integrated cradle holds your phone or tablet. So there's a cradle on the top. I'll just show that to you. And it's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. Okay, it does say some features at the bottom. So it has a 24-month battery life, 10 meters wireless range, there's an on and off power switch, and there's a battery indicator light. You need a Bluetooth enabled computer or mobile device. So your tablet, computer or your mobile has to have Bluetooth, and it needs to support external keyboards. Okay, so it says it's compatible with Apple iPad or iPhone iOS 5 or later, Android tablet or smartphone with Android 3.2 or later. For PCs, it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10 or later. For Mac, it's compatible with Mac OS 10.11 or later, and it's compatible with ChromeOS. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox this. Put it up. Okay, so there you are. That's what it looks like. So it comes wrapped up in this plastic, which I'll take it out. That's the device, and along with the device you get some documents. This is important safety, compliance and warranty information. So would recommend you to read that once. And that's it. So there you are. This is the Logitech K480. As you can see, this is the dial, the knob I told you about. So you can actually switch between three devices, 1, 2 and 3. This is at the time of pairing. We'll do that in a separate video. I'll show you how to actually pair it. But if you're connecting to a PC, you need to press this button. If you're connecting to an Apple device, an iOS device, you need to press this button over here. And otherwise, you can just start typing. This is where, of course, you would put your mobile phone. So for example, you can just put your mobile phone like that. And there you have it, folks. So there you have, that was the unboxing of the Logitech multi-device K480 Bluetooth keyboard. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.